Om Sri Matre Namaha. Om today's Panchangam 10th February 2026 Magaramasam 27th. Today's Panchangam Vishwasnama Samvalsaram Uttarayanam Ishmarado Krishnavaksham. Today Chand Tidhi Ashtami Tidhi up to 7:27 a.m. Then Navami Nakshatram Vishagam up to 7:55 a.m. Today's Yamagandam 9 to 10:30 a.m. Guliyagalam 12 to 1:30 p.m. Rahugalam 3 to 4:30 p.m. Today's good time 10:30 to 11 a.m. then 4 to 5 p.m. Om Sri Matre Namaha.